sir. Time now for this hour's car review. We looked at the 2023, 2023 Lincoln Navigator. Available trim levels are the base, the reserve, and the black label. I had the 4x4 black label. This is a standard SUV, and it's nice. How many passengers? Up to 8, including the driver. It was updated last year, and it was all new for 2018. They've got it sorted out. The L model of this, I did not have it, but the L model gives you an extra foot of length and expands the cargo area and increases fuel capacity from 23 to 27 gallons. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Exterior features: cohesive, straightforward, conservative styling. Beautiful grille with sophisticated headlight design. Horizontal tail lights that stretch across the entire width of the tailgate. Navigator callouts on the upper fenders. What I liked, the exclusive 22-inch black label wheels. L. Ooh. What could use improvement? Check to make sure it fits in the garage.
Yeah.
Because it's big. Interior highlights. Big new infotainment screen sits atop the center AC vents. Rather unique. Floating center console allows storage under the front of it. Women with big purses, it's perfect for that. Over-the-top seating adjustments with massage. Beautiful leather surfaces and Alcantara headliner. Cargo trunk room, massive, especially with the L model. What I liked, the interior woodwork in it. Oh, yeah. And when I get to the price, you'll understand. What could use more improvement? More time with it.
Wow.
In other words, let me just go ahead and have it for a month. Engine is only a 3.5 liter, but it is a twin turbocharged 6-cylinder with 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. It acts like a big V8. 10-speed transmission in it. It'll tow between 8,300 and 8,700 pounds, depending on, four-wheel drive, the L model, Gas mileage, 16 miles per gallon city, 22 highway for combined to 18. I got 17.5 over 370.5 miles.
Pretty good.
What I liked about it, plenty of power out of the twin-turbo V6. What could use improvement? Well, Cadillac offers that big V supercharged V8. Why not do something like, how about put the Coyote engine in it? Just saying. Supercharged.
Well, I think Ford doesn't put a V8 in that full-size utility, whether it's at the Ford or the Lincoln brand. It's all EcoBoost is the only engine availability, but they have some higher horsepower versions of the EcoBoost as well.
Well, which I said is just put some more horsepower into it. That's all, and call it, V minus or
the
V
Raptor.
plus,
whatever,
or the Raptor. Yeah, ride and handling, the feeling of sitting on a living room couch. I don't know how else to put it. That just pretty much says you got a good, comfortable, velvety couch.
Feet up on the dash, beer in your hand.
What could use improvement? Can be a little floaty at times when it comes to the ride and handling.
It's a luxury vehicle.
Exactly, and that's what it's about. Base trim price, $112,300. Prices tested, $120,995. Yeah, baby. I had it for a week. Base model price, you can get in a Lincoln Navigator. Try to find one for $77,635.
That's the stripper.
The stripper, if you have a stripper in a Lincoln. Competitors to this vehicle in base price and size: Cadillac Escalade, $79,225. Jeep Grand Wagoneer, $87,995. And let's just go right on up to the top with the Lexus LX 600. Base price on that's $90,815.
But can you tub it out?
I would imagine
and put a Coyote in it.
Absolutely. And that car's really nice. Golly. It's hard to believe that they make and sell those things. And I heard some really negative comments in some of the research that I was doing. People going, yeah, it's old school, man. Nobody buys it. No, people do buy them. I think that Lincoln, if I were to offer a suggestion to Lincoln, bump it up, man. Bump it up.
A little bit different styling, maybe. Yeah.
Well, even the same styling, but they never advertise it. They never talk about it. It's kind of, you see Cadillac Escalade being advertised all the time.
And that's what this one was designed to compete with, is the Escalade and Suburban.
Nobody even thinks about it anymore.
Escalade, Tahoe,
Come on,
Suburban.
man. Get on with the times. Let's advertise this thing. You could advertise it right here, as a matter of fact.
Yep.
Hello, Ford Motor Company. Welcome to the In Wheel Time Show. Sponsored by Lincoln. That sounds right, doesn't it?
How'd you get to the studio? In my Lincoln.
In my Lincoln.
There you go.
Yeah. Just saying. Why not? All right.